Welcome to the Lady and I channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your subscription and welcome back. So I have went almost 1 full year without retightening my hair, and I'm proud to say that I finally started the retie process, and I wanted to document my success with a 3-part video series as I'm retightening my hair. So I don't know if I'm gonna make this a 3-part or a 2-part, we'll see. I knew I couldn't do this in one video because it was a lot going on with my hair, so I definitely wanted to break it up. But I just wanted to update you all, especially my day 1 subscribers. You saw that video since day 1. You know what my head looked like. And for me to make this progress, it's just like, it's feeling like a real weight is lifted off my shoulder because I went so long. And if you are new here, don't feel left out. You can always go back and watch my very first video on this channel where I talk about me going almost 1 full year without retightening my locks. I give you a scalp reveal, I give you a root reveal, I show you what my roots look like. So you can get an idea of what your hair would look like if you went that long without retightening your hair. So this video, let's just get into it. I made some progress, I feel good, so let me show you where I'm at. I have retightened the first half of my hair. So the first half of my hair from ear to ear is retightened, and the back is still a lot that I gotta retighten back there. So I just went from ear to ear, and I started to section it, and I just started to retighten. Now, this side looks way better than my right side, and I'm gonna go into the reasoning behind that in a minute. But as you can see, I got a little grit action going on. You can see that, you know, there's a little something happening there. Let me separate this out. Now, I actually started on my right side and moved over to my left side. I started on my thin side, which is my right side. So this side is gonna look a lot fresher than my right side because I started my retie process about 2.5 weeks ago. So this side is gonna look a little bit stale, but it's okay because I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just do a couple of rotations on my final reveal of me retightening my locks. As I'm moving towards my right, I'm losing grit, I'm losing all of that part through grit look. Oh, I have a section here that I'd have to, there we go. So I'm losing it, but it's okay because this was my problem area anyway. I have to give this side tender love and care, so I'm okay with that. But as you can see, this was my problem area. Unfortunately, we're still working on it, but my locks, they're still there, you know, they're still there, but that loctician kind of messed me up. If you saw my last video, don't let anyone touch your hair. If you didn't see it, go watch it. You'll get a very good understanding on why this side of my hair is like this. But nonetheless, I still love my hair, and this side is a lot thinner, but it's okay. I'm gonna just do probably another rotation. It's just really the front that's frizzed, but it doesn't bother me because I actually don't like the fresh retie look. I like it when my hair gets a little bit stale and a little bit weathered. Not stale, but you know, when it kind of gets old. I like 2 to 3 week hair after it's retied because it just looks more, I don't know, it just looks and feel more like loose natural hair. I just like the way it looks once it's a little bit old. So that's pretty much it. This is my progress that I made. It took me 2 weeks to do this. I'm anticipating that it's probably gonna take me probably a week to do the back, just because the back of my hair, the locks is a lot bigger, and also it's easier for me for some reason. Some people find the back, retightening the back of their hair a little bit more difficult. I actually enjoy retightening the back of my hair better than I like retightening the front, but I wanted to tackle the front of my retie first because one, this is my like thin area and I wanted to kind of give that the best tender loving care as possible. And also I knew that I would run into more issues with the front of my hair because it was so much more smaller, which I did. I had a lot of combining, I had to do a lot more separating, I had to repair some locks, and I also have, I think it's 2 videos coming up showing you how I repaired some locks and issues that I came across while I was retightening. So I wanted to really do the difficult part first so that I can enjoy wrapping it up. The back is gonna be a lot easier for me. I just go through and just feel through the back, but I'll go into that in my part 2. Also, I want to let you know that at the end of this series, I do have a special announcement just for you. Yes, just for you, especially if you are a subscriber. Definitely subscribe to the channel because I have some upcoming news that I want to share with you, and I don't want you to miss it, okay? Let's wrap this up. This is my retie. I started the retie process. I feel so good. I thought I would need to actually call my loctician up because it would be too much for me, but it's actually going very, very well. It was stressful at times, I'm not gonna lie, but it's very liberating to know that I could do my own hair, and I hope this is an encouraging video to you if you are in the middle of having to retie your hair and you don't know where to start. All I'm gonna say is just get to it. Get a lock tool and just get to it. I actually used to retie my hair a combination of like different tools. I actually went back to my old lock tool that I made when I first did my first retie on my hair. So I used that, but for the most part, I used my Oraji O-Locker tool, and it's just been good to me. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you really like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, again, thank you so much for your subscription. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos that I'm making because I do, like I said, have a special announcement to you. And until then, you all stay safe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.